Hello students, it's the next introductions video of chapter integers. Here we will discuss about the properties. Integers are followed by some properties. Basically we have three properties: closure property, commutative property, associative property. We will talk how these three properties hold or do not hold given operations of integers. Now when we are dealing with operations, we had an operation of addition. We also saw how to perform subtractions, and further continuing the same concept we will learn with multiplications. Finally, we also learn division of integers. Let's talk about the closure property. According to the closure property, when we add any two integers, sum is also an integer. It means addition is followed by closure property. Come on, subtractions. Subtractions of any two integers, -2 -3, result is -5 and the result is also an integer. It means closure property is bounded for subtractions also. Multiplications. Multiplications of any two integers is also an integer, like 2 multiplied by -3 is also -6. So -6 is also an integer. So multiplication is bounded or multiplications follows closure property. Division. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. Here the result is integers, but when we will take A as 3 and B as 15, our result is 3 divided by 15 and it's a fractions value. So it's not a bounded for closure property. Division not follows closure property. Second property, commutative property. When we are adding any two integers in such a manner, the result is same. A plus B is equals to B plus A. Both have same value. So addition is bounded for commutative. Subtractions. A minus B is not equals to B minus A. 3 minus 4 is not equals to 4 minus 3. So subtractions not follows commutative property. Multiplications. Multiplications of any two integers, A multiplied by B is also equals to B multiplied by A. It means multiplications follows commutative property. Division. A divided by B is not equals to B divided by A. Here I have written 2 as A and B as 1. 2 divided by 1, it means the value is 2. B divided by A, 1 divided by 2, it means 1 upon 2 and it's a fraction. So 2 is not equals to fractions. It means division is not bounded for commutative property. Come on our next property, associative property. According to the associative property, we have three integers and there has been a bracket. Around these bracket, when we are adding these three integers, our result is same. 3 plus 4 over bracket plus 2 is equals to 3 plus 4 plus 2 over bracket. Result is same. So addition follows commutative associative property. Subtractions. Around subtractions, when we apply this formula, the results are not same. So subtractions not follows associative property. Multiplications. A multiplied by B multiplied by C is equals to A multiplied by B over C. If I am writing 3 multiplied by 2 bracket multiplied by 5 is equals to 3 2 into 5. 3 2s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. 3 into 2 5s are 10 and it becomes 30. The results are same. So here I can say that multiplications follows associative property. Come on now the next operations, division. Division. A divided by B divide C is not equals to A divide B divide by C. How? Take an example. A as 100, B as 25, C as 2. Put the values 100 divided by 25 over bracket divided by 2. It's 4 divided by 2. Result is 2. But when we has been change the bracket, A divide B divide C. A means 100, B 25 is divided by 2. Result is 12.5 and it will be a decimal number. So both values are not equal. So here we can say that division not follows associative property. Our next property that we are going to discuss separately, our next property is distributive property. Distributive property only dealing with these three operations: addition, subtractions and division. This property is held by multiplications over additions and subtractions. How? A multiply B plus C over bracket. How we will open this? A is distributed and multiply by B plus A is multiplied by C. Distributions, this is called a distributions property of multiplications over addition. Take an example, 3 multiplied by 10 plus 5. Here we will multiply 3 by 10 according to the formula and 3 multiplied by 5. Results are same. So we can say that multiplication is distributive over addition because we have distributed our number in addition. Our next distributive property is A multiplied by B minus C. How you will open this? A multiplied by B. This minus sign we will put between us. A multiplied by C. Distributions property of multiplications over subtraction. 3 multiplied by 10 minus 5 is equals to 3 multiplied by 10 minus 3 multiplied by 5 and results are same. So distributive property